Hey guys, it's Steven. Been about 11 days since my last video. So just to catch up, we left off on April 1st. So that's all the way back here. So if we look at the price that we left off at, it was up above 15, a lot of volatility, right? Between this central pivot, you've got to move from this $14 all the way to 17, and then you had it from 14 all the way down to 11. So a lot of volatility here, but as you can see, it's definitely died down. And if we look at this previous week here, we went ahead and started testing these lower supports that we've seen in the past, which tends to be about, it looks like from $10 all the way down to $9. So this $10 range is definitely a number that I want to keep an eye on. If you want to accumulate anything below there, it seems like a pretty safe bet to buy under $9 for now. We'll see if that changes. If we look at the total amount of holders over the past week or so here, starting to actually move up a little bit here. So this is definitely a good sign. We definitely want more people in the community to start holding Bytes, but really this is all speculation because we don't necessarily have exactly what these Bytes are going to be doing. There's definitely going to be something coming, but we just don't know when. So just to keep moving on here, we're just going to watch for this first support here from 970 down to 850 here. So not that much of a drop. So and then you look at what the upside is. It can go from $10 to 12. So that's about a 20% upside if you want to trade that. So moving on to the bytes to Ethereum ratio, and what you are seeing here is a lot less volatility versus the price of Ethereum. So these swings are somewhat, especially over the last couple of days, somewhat due to the price of Ethereum moving down. And as you can see on the bytes to Ethereum chart, much more stable. So that's a good thing. That's what we want to see. And overall, if we check out the volume, I believe the volume has been pretty low over the last few days here. So not bad. We had a few spikes, and if you're inside Neo Tokyo, you know that Alex Becker's come out and definitely taken a very strong role in developing the Discord and the community. So there's definitely going to be a lot of great changes coming. So I'm looking forward to that. And if we check out where the liquidity is, um, doesn't look like anything's changed too much. We actually have a pretty decent amount of tokens locked up here. So we have like a 1 ETH support, 0.74 ETH support. So not bad. I'm going to keep an eye on this chart here to see if anything changes. But if you look here, basically most of the supply is on the supply side. So if you are going to buy, it's going to be more difficult to move the price higher right now versus if you look at the lower prices here, not as much ETH support. So when we take this chart and look back at the ETH to bytes chart, as you can see, we could easily come all the way down because there's not as much support. So let's just chart this real quick. So we have 0.0024 on the chart. And if we bring that over here, it would be this spot right here. So just a few clicks here, and this could easily happen. So we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, well, let's just keep moving. So if you don't know already, I'm gonna try to start splitting these videos up. So I'm gonna do only bytes here. I did a macro overview, and then I'm also going to start covering Umami Finance, which is the project that I'm a strategist for, and just want to keep that separate. So just to finish off, we already saw the holders are going up, the supply has gone up, so people are claiming their tokens. We have the market cap going up because of the amount of tokens, and yeah, just about flat over the past week. So we'll definitely keep an eye on all this stuff, and we'll see which way this moves with news or without news. And just to finish off, I did want to point this out. We are starting to get this kind of capitulation type of move happening with the Bitcoin market. So if you want to check out what I'm looking at for the macro markets, go ahead and check out that video. And that's all I got. I will catch you guys later.